We're here at Cape Town's newest trail system, or newly renovated trail system at the BANHOEK Bethlehem trail system, which is up ahead there. And we're riding it with the trail builder here. And we are joined by none other than Tiens. But up front here we have BANHOEK, who's one of the builders here, who's been working really hard in shaping some sick trails for us to ride here in the Stellenbosch area. Halfway up the mountain there's a nice contour trail, which is rare to ride because there's some real nice exposure on the side. Hello. Is this the steep section? Well, it's not that steep. Yeah. Get those vibes on, bro. Alright. Yeah, let's send it down this trail. Yeah, this is nice flowy parky trail. Look at this. Super rad. What was that? I don't know if we should have gone down there. Did you see that? Yeah. I was looking at that, I was like, fuck. Should have gone down there. Sick, look at this. Woo! How rad is that? Wow. This is such a fun trail to ride. Wow, these guys have really done an outstanding job of putting down such an excellent trail here. So playful. Oh, this is like a step up. Sick. Wow. But moist. Wow. Hey, what do you think of that? Nice little dam here if you want to come swim. So one thing to note about Stellenbosch is that it's usually about 10 degrees hotter in this area than the rest of Cape Town. So in summertime, bring water, bring plenty of it, and sunblock, because you can see that these trails are really exposed. Keep it together. Whoa, whoa. Oh wow, look at this. Hey, hey, hey. Nice. Through there. Yeah. Sick. The guys have gone down because I stayed up here taking some drone shots. Such a fun trail this. And something is creaking real bad here on my bike. Nice parky jumps, really well built. Apparently like a gap year. There goes the boulder. He's done such a good job here.
Thanks,